mi gente, guys, we're here for Hvac, Queens. We're getting ready to replace a supply and return sensor here for the Endurance boiler. So guys, stay tuned. I'll take you through the journey and step by step on what it is to replace a supply sensor and a return sensor for this beautiful Endurance Laars boiler. Stay tuned. Wepa! Alright guys, whenever you're replacing a supply and return sensor, guys, you know this is a hot water boiler. You don't want to get scalded with hot water and burn. So first thing is first is shut the power off. That's simple, guys. Next thing is you gotta remove the water from the system because it's a hot water system. So you gotta remove all that water, drain out all the water from the system in order to replace the supply and return sensor. And of course, it's pretty straightforward. If you look at the video, is that we have to unscrew the sensor on the supply and the return, take it out, put the new one in, screw it on, connect to the harness again, and then you gotta bleed the system. Guys, it's just that simple. So listen, if you have any questions, feel free to call Louis the Woman, 516-377-5200. Wepa! Mi gente, Louis the Boilerman here. Guys, we just finished installing a supply sensor and a return sensor for this large endurance unit. You guys can see right behind me. However, we're still having issues with the boiler, and I told the customer it's best that she replaces it because it's like an old Cadillac. You're gonna keep putting money into one thing, money to another. It's gonna be just a money pit. And she agreed. She said, you know what, you're right. It's already a 2007. Many of her neighbors already changed their boilers. They have the same exact boilers in this particular complex. So I just think it just makes more sense to just replace the whole boiler. So guys, stay tuned. We're gonna replace it with a beautiful Navian boiler. Give some heat and hot water as soon as possible. Hey, sometimes these things do happen. You try to repair something that's old, it doesn't make sense. You fix one thing, you fix another, and something else, and it's just becoming a nuisance. So I think she did the best. Well, I think she made the best decision. I think that's the best decision for the application because we have an issue. So guys, stay tuned. I hope this video becomes of value to you. But stay tuned, and also, guys, don't forget, subscribe, smash that bell button, leave a comment below. Love to hear from you. Wepa!